Hi everyone, good morning. This is Marcelino El Galido of Bessentown Property PH, a licensed real estate broker and a partner of Greenfield Development Corporation. Today, I want to introduce to you a project that's quietly becoming one of the most promising condominium investment in the South, Sadia Condominium in Santa Rosa City, Laguna. If you're looking for a home that gives you a space, accessibility, and long-term value, or an investment that can grow with the area, this is something that you should really consider. Let's start with the most important factor in real estate, which is location. Why Santa Rosa? Because Santa Rosa is no longer just a suburban alternative. It is now one of the fastest growing economic hub in Calabarzon. Here's what makes it strong. It is near NLEX, making it accessible to Metro Manila. It is close to business hubs like Nuvali, Eton City, and industrial parks. It is surrounded by major establishments like schools, hospitals, and malls. And it has continuous infrastructure development. What does this mean to you? For end users, it means less stress and better quality of life. For investors, it means strong demand and property evaluation. Santa Rosa is where growth is already happening, not just planned. Now, let's talk about Sadia Condominium. Sadia is a mid-rise residential development by Greenfield Development Corporation designed for people who want a balanced lifestyle, not too crowded, not too isolated. It's not your typical high-density condo. Sadia is designed to give you more breathing space, better community feel, and a relaxed nature-integrated environment. Think of it as urban living with suburban feel. One of the strongest selling points of Sadia is its open space and livability. Unlike most developments, it has generous open spaces, walkable environment, and green landscapes integrated into the design. Imagine your daily life here. Morning walks in open areas, less noise, less congestion, more natural light and ventilation. This is very important today, especially after people realize that space is no longer a luxury, it's already a necessity. Sadia offers a curated set of amenities designed for real use, not just for display. It has swimming pool, function areas, fitness and wellness spaces, landscape gardens, and social community zones. The goal is simple: create a place where you don't need to live just to relax. Let's talk about the units. Sadia focuses on efficient layouts, functional spaces, and comfortable cuts for real living. This means for end users, you're not just buying space, you're buying comfort and usability. And if you are an investor, units that are easy to rent out because they meet real needs. Now, let's talk about the most important question. Why Sadia? First reason, it is developed by trusted name, Greenfield Development Corporation. Second, it is located in a high growth area, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Third, it has balanced density. It is not overcrowded. Fourth reason, it has a strong potential for appreciation. And it is ideal for rental market, for professional, families, and expats. Timing is key. Early investors always benefits the most. Again, why Sadia? If you are an end user, it offers you better lifestyle. It has a peaceful environment. The location is very accessible. It has long-term home value. And if you are an investor, it has rental demand from nearby economic zones. It has increasing property value. And the location is strategic for future growth. Let me be honest with you. Most people wait for the perfect timing. But in real estate, the best time is when you can still afford it. Because once the area fully develops, prices will no longer be where they are today. If you're seriously considering owning a unit in Sadia, whether for your home or investment, let's schedule a private presentation or site visit so you can see the value for yourself. Because at the end of the day, the goal is not just to buy property. It is to make a smart, future-proof decision. This is Marcelino El Galido of Best in Town Property PH, a PRC licensed real estate broker and an accredited partner of Greenfield Development Corporation, helping you find not just a property, but the right investment for your future. Thank you very much.